Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. I know this time I'm after a long time because we are back to our normal business and quite busy these days. So I thought today let's make some video for you. It's been long, I haven't shown you anything. So today what happened is this one I have made in my last video. If you want to see this design, you can go and click on link somewhere up on there on info button. You can check it out, and this one has lifted somehow. If you can see, it's lifted, you can see here. So I'm gonna show you how to save your nail with this nail lifting, and I'm going to do that for you today. And at the same time I will make my nails too, so here I go. I'll start with this. So first I'll start taking out my all the design and the polish. I took out the top one, and then I can see that too much of lifting here. So I'll start taking it off from here. All the chipped ones, so the lifted area, so it's almost half of the nail has gone. If you want, you can infill it, and if you want, you can take it out completely and make a new nail, because I have infilled it so many of time. So I'm gonna take it out completely and build up the new nail. This is my natural nail underneath, so it's quite safe and nice and shiny. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And if you want to sculpt the new nail and taking it off completely, so the link will be somewhere here on the I button. You can click on that and check how to sculpt your new acrylic nail. And if you want to infill it and just make it like touch it up, so you can stay tuned with me, and I'll show you how to infill your acrylic nails with the acrylic powder and the monomer. So stay tuned with me. Till then, goodbye to you. But before saying goodbye, just want to remind you once again, don't forget to like the channel, don't forget to share with your friends, and also comment below what you want to see next in my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. It's completely free, and it spreads love and support of yours to me and everyone. So tune with the channel till the time I come back with the new design and new art or new skill for nail art. Bye bye, have a good day.